Hello and welcome to Mech Zone. We welcome you to the fourth module of English, and in this module we shall be studying some aspects on standard English. So let's get started. We'll be learning more on double negatives, that is, when two negative words are used in the same sentence, then according to the rules of standard English, we will select only one of them and the other word will be changed. So first of all, what are negative words? So negative words are those like no, nah, and you're very being pessimistic in your language. Pessimistic means one who doesn't have any hopes, one who is very hopeless. So he is called as pessimistic. Whereas the antonym of pessimistic is optimistic, one who is very hopeful, one who hopes a lot. So double negative or negative words are simply those words which are actually related to the pessimistic conditions, that is, this work will not happen, I won't be able to finish my work, I won't be able to win the match. All these words are called as negative words. And if there is a presence of more than one negative word in a sentence, then out of those two words, one word will be dropped and the other will be modified. So for example, I ain't got no pencils. So ain't and no are the two negative words or simply double negative words which have been used in a single sentence. So ain't will be changed to haven't and no will be changed to any. So the correct sentence is I haven't got any pencils. Okay, this would be the corrected form. The next sentence, if we look at, this is the example. However, we shall be doing an exercise on this also. I don't want none of that. So don't and none both are actually negative words, and two negative words have been used in the same sentence. So in this sentence, I don't want none of that. So upon correction, we will find I don't want any of that. So don't will remain unaltered and the word none would be changed to any. So these are actually the ways of how we are going to handle negative words, and that too double negative words when they are given in one single sentence. Okay, we now come to some other examples like the boy did not have no bow. So did not and no are two negative words. That means double negative words have been used in a single sentence, and it does not make any sense because two negative words, a word that means no simply means this also means no and no also means no. So both these words having the same sense are used in a single sentence. So the corrected form would be the boy did not have a bow. The boy did not have a bow. Here are the common words we use for demonstrate that something is negative. No, not, nothing, never, nowhere. So these are the negative words that are generally used in the sentences. We also add the letters N apostrophe T to words to make them negative, like doesn't, ain't, can't. So all these words are also used to show negativity in a particular sentence. Okay, we now come to an exercise where we will be using these negative words in the sentence. And in the first question, the two words, that is nothing and anything, have been given. And out of these two sentences, one will have nothing as the answer and the other will have anything as the answer. So let's see which word fits best in the blank. John did not tell his father dash about the accident. So what we do is we'll first go by phonetics, because phonetics is the best way to observe which is the correct answer. So John did not tell his father nothing about the accident. So if we add nothing at this place, then did not and nothing are two negative words. Okay, so two negative words should never come in a sentence. So the answer would be anything. John did not tell his father anything about the accident. Okay, so if anything is used in the first sentence, then in the next sentence definitely the answer is going to be nothing. So John told his father nothing about the accident. So nothing would come at the second place. Okay, now let us see the other sentence, and we have to use the word no and any. There isn't dash cake left. So isn't is a negative word, and if we use no here, then we would land up with the wrong sentence, because in that case we would be using two negative words in the same sentence. So the correct word that to be used here is any. There isn't any cake left, and in the other sentence no will be the answer. There is no cake left. So please remember that according to the laws of standard English, a sentence should not have two negative words, and even if there are two negative words, then we are going to modify the sentence in such a manner that one of the negative words should be removed or modified. Okay, now the next sentence, we have to use the word never or ever. So don't you dash get tired of knitting. Knitting means to knit a sweater. Okay, knitting means that proverb. Okay, so never or ever. Don't you. So don't is a negative word, and if you use never in this sentence, then it is going to be wrong. So don't you ever get tired of knitting. So whenever you are asking a question, your tone should be such that you are asking a question, and it should not be in a manner that you are telling something. Here we are getting a question mark. So the tone should be, don't you ever get tired of knitting. The sentence should be in such a manner so that it seems that you're asking a question. The next thing is, do you never get tired of knitting. Never would come at the second place. So let us do another exercise on the same funda, and nothing or anything should be used in any of one of these sentences. She was asked dashed in the interview. She was asked nothing in the interview, because here we are not having any negative word, so we can use nothing in this place. So she wasn't asked anything about anything in the interview. He did not receive dash as help from the government. The word should be government, but actually N is not pronounced and it is pronounced as government. So he did not receive anything as help from the government. Okay. Now the next in the next sentences we have to use the word no or any. So the first sentence is, he has dash money left. So in this entire sentence we see that there is no negative word, so we can use one negative word here, that is, he has no money left. Okay, the correct answer would be, he has no money left. In the next sentence we see that, do you have dash sibling in the college? So the question is, do you have any sibling in the college? So it is being asked here, we are being asked a question, so we'll put a question mark, and the tone should be such that, do you have a sibling in the college, so that it seems that you're asking a question. The next sentence is, we have to use the word either never or ever. Okay, promise me that you will dash tell a lie. So promise me that you will never tell a lie, because in this sentence we are not facing any negative words up till now. So what we will do is, we will simply keep the word never, and it will make a very complete and good sense for this sentence. So the word never will come here. Try to find out whosoever has done that. Okay, so it is actually a question, and this is a very commonly used word, whosoever has done that. Okay, so this is how we are going to deal with double negative words in case of standard English, and we shall be following these rules whenever we see two negative words within a same sentence. So with this we come to the end of this module 4th, and we hope that you have enjoyed our lectures. Kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also do tell us about the various feedbacks. Please give us valuable feedbacks on our channel, or you can also give them on our Facebook page. Do tell others about our channel so that they are also benefited, because everything is available absolutely for free on our channel. You can download all the technical and the non-technical lectures from our channel, and this is the only channel on YouTube which is providing absolutely free of cost material to the aspirants of GATE, SSC, JEE, public sectors, ESE and other competitive examinations. So thank you so much.